typical Glynn style. We're doing a Syndicate members event, and I've not even done an intro. I just got the rods out. Easy already. Am I allowed to net it for you? Would there been a competition and all? If it comes off though, it's just a coincidence.
Don't you go knocking it off.
Nice fish. So where are you going, left or right? Left?
This way, I think.
Oh, is this supposed to slide out? I hate this net. I'm nervous with there being a competition. Get in, Glynn.
Good start.
Good start, that. About £3 that, isn't it?
£3, 6 ounces.
Well done, Glynn.
Thanks, mate.
It's a nice fish though, isn't it? Look, I can
It's a double, maybe.
screw up a double.
God, that water's cold.
Is it? I was going to say the temperature's dropped. And it is 10.5. Yeah, 10.5. Nice that, Glynn.
Cool around. Just not having it, Brian.
Well, his rods have literally been out an hour. And he's got cracking common. 10.5 Sorry about the light. I'm trying to trying to where you at, Glynn. I can't. Oh, there you are. 10.5 We'll get a picture and put it back. Well done, Glynn. Wait, can you see it?
I can't see anything.
That's it. That's it. Get in. I forgot what this is like. Oxygenate, oxygenate. Let them go.
I don't think this is going to need it, this one. Yes. Going that way. Silverfish.
No, towards my peg.
Yeah, he's going your way.
Get in. Underneath. Keep on going. Well done, Glynn.
Right.
Right.
Well, let's sort this disgusting mess out.
Me?
No, the bottom.
Oh, right. The lines. I'm in. It's 2:20 in the morning. Oh, I feel like it's off. Is it off? It's hard to tell. I think it's off. Oh, it's a bream. I think it's off. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what's Oh. Oh, what's happening then? I think it was a bream. Well, good morning. Yeah, I got woken up, as you saw in the footage, just after 2 o'clock in the morning by that. I wouldn't call it a run, it was literally just a few beeps, gradual beeps. My sensitivity was really low on my bite alarms after some of the weather I've had on my previous session, so I turned the sensitivity right down, and I guess that's what it was, because when I came out there was only a couple of beeps, but my bobbin was to the top of the rod blank, and then I've struck into it, and it just feels like it's something that's not been pulling line but just been circling round. So it's I struck into it and I could feel something, but then I could feel the line grating, and it feels like it's dragged me through loads of the bottom, the gravel or whatever it is, stones, whatever's on the bottom. But yeah, there was literally halfway in, then it just came off. So, and then a couple of beats on the left hand rod. But yeah, other than that, it was quiet. I got woken up this morning by a buzzing noise. I didn't know what the heck it was, and I think it was Glynn trying to land his drone on my bivvy. So yeah, he's been flying that. He's had nothing through the night either. And yeah, it was a nice misty sunrise this morning, as you would have seen already on the footage. And yeah, it's a bit cold. I think it's about 8-9 degrees, so it's not the warmest. But hopefully it warms up today and the bites switch on. So yeah, as I can see now how many people are actually here, and I can see 1, 2. There's only about four or so down that side. I think there's only about 4 or 5 down this side, so there's no angling pressure at all. So I just don't understand the say Glynn got that one straight away within an hour and then nothing. So we'll go again today. I'm debating to switch one of my worms, because one of my rigs, because both my rigs have got the magic beans. One's got a yellow magic bean topped with worms, and the other one's got a pink magic bean topped at worms, because I did really well at Brookside on that combination. But yeah, nothing on those other than I think it was probably a bream attracted to the worms. So I'm going to switch one of them to just a normal magic bean, what I normally use, and yeah, and watch the water and see if there's any telltale signs. But yeah, so I'm going to redo my rods and get some breakfast, and fingers crossed we can bring you some today. I'm in, but I don't know what I've got. I think I've got a bream. I've got a snotty bream. The bream count? I think it's been on for about half the night. Well, as you saw, I was reeling in my rods to redo them, and unfortunately the left hand rod that had the pink magic bean 15mm with the worm on top, it was making beeps at like 4 o'clock this morning, single beeps. I just thought they were liners, but I think this bream's been on since then, and unfortunately it doesn't count in the competition, but I guess it counts as a blank saver. So it's £4, 12 ounce. I think it's probably £4 of slime, and yeah, it's they're absolutely minging. I feel really guilty and questioning myself as a carp angler, classing it as a blank saver, but yeah, it is a fish. Unfortunately I might have to change off the worm rigs and put just a normal magic bean on, but yeah, it's a blank saver. It's not a competition winner, it's a bream. Yuck. They're not always in the bowl on BT. Well, would you believe it? Would you believe it? He's in. What? So come off? Oh, for... What timing was that? Literally right next to the rods. Oh, man. Wow. It just took your bait rather than your hook then. What did you have on it? Hair rigged?
Yeah.
Gutted. Get it back out, Glynn.
Boom.
Bugger. Well, he's in. I didn't even hear your alarm go off.
I didn't. I just dropped it in.
You just dropped it in?
Yeah, it's gone.
It's gone?
Well,
You're joking?
no. I just put my back lead on and it went.
Wow. Is that same spot?
No, a different one. Can't believe that.
Wow. What hook have you got on?
6.
Bugger. Oh, get it back out, Glynn.
Can't believe that.
That's going out to the right. Yeah,
It's
on
on
you.
that.
It's on that. Line's lifting up. Yeah? Well, considering he's having... Oh, is that your... Oh, is that one going over that one?
Well, I mean, unfish that way.
Should I? You reckon? It's not moved again, it's gone. If it goes again, I'll... Well, this is what persuaded me. I think I'm going to try Glynn's bait boat. Just with one rod, just to see whether it makes a difference, because he's literally not had that out long. And it's gone again. If we can get it done before the light goes. Looks like it's holding well, Glynn.
Feels quite heavy.
It's a nice wave that came off it from out there. Yeah, there's your other line. It's over the other line. The wave. So lift you the rod over.
That leg might spoil it though, Brian.
Right. So I'm just leave it.
Well, when we get closer, try and lift it up over the fish.
Yep. Will do.
It's just over it, it's not swinging.
No, I was going to say it's just resting over it. It might come out, but
let's try and flick it over. Yeah, that's done it. Nice one, Brian. I'll let you run straight out there. It's a 5 pounder.
nice evening for it. Mm-hmm. So it was quite a decent bow wave when it went out. Displaced quite a bit of water. This is just a little one with an attitude.
Nice boil there, come up.
Nice.
This it should be well behaved on the map. Some power in it. I would have seen it by now if it was a small one. Don't you, bro?
100%. I'm not saying anything because I'm nervous. The size of the boils that's coming up.
We've said that before, haven't we?
Yeah, we've said that before, and it's been a small one, but the fact that it's not come up at all, and it's just plodding, it's not whizzing off, it's literally just plodding.
It's not been a jagged fight.
Yeah. Even the take was just like a big fish plod.
Yeah.
It wasn't a whizzer.
It wasn't even a beep.
No. It's like that single beep. Remember that 20 you caught on the other side? It was like we thought it was a bream because it was a single beep.
Yeah.
I've got that vibe again. I don't want to put the net anywhere near until it's ready, just in case you have to switch sides again.
Determined.
I think.
I'm glad I've got barbed hooks on.
It's definitely putting up a good account. I didn't see how big it was, to be honest, because I was looking on the camera rather than in real life.
Well, it had a bumper there, so I thought it was nearly done, but
Made the mistake of letting it have more air, Glynn. Now it's going to be back out for another 20 minutes. Wow. I think this is officially the longest fight I've seen from a fish in here. Nice fish.
I don't think it's funny though. It's like 14, 15 or something.
Putting an account of itself like it's a 20. Wow. Wow.
That's not slack, that either.
No, I know. You can tell by the sound of the line. One of you is going to tire out in a minute.
She'll take over.
It's either going to be you or the Fish Glynn. One of you is going to tire out. I'm not taking over. It's a competition, this. It's proper pressure.
I like to respect the fish, you see, Brian.
100%. And you've got to enjoy you've been waiting 15 hours for this. You've got to enjoy it.
Let's go in again. Jesus.
I hate this net. Do you want me to drop that and get the net?
I'll try and get it, sorry, Brian.
Sorry, Glenn. I just don't want the fish to take this rod out. I'm just following the line so there's no pressure on it.
Honestly, can't believe it.
Don't bully it. You come this far. That's it now, it's ready now. It's a big fish, that, Glenn. It's a big fish. Get in, Glenn. Get in, mate. That's absolutely superb. Wow. That was a struggle, mammoth struggle, that. Not struggle, but a fight. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Glynn. Get in, mate. Cracking.
3 pound bigger than the biggest one, I'll tell you.
Get in, mate. That's enormous. Oh, mate, this has made my session. Well, his rig has been in the water for 20 seconds and he's got an absolutely ridiculous common, and it is 23 pounds 7 ounce. It's like a torpedo.
Fought like a torpedo.
Yeah, it's about 18 minutes it took to get it in.
Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely stunning. Just go a little bit left just so I can get its tail in. That's it. So yeah, absolutely huge fish. We'll get a couple of pictures, but absolutely amazing, that, Glynn. Cracking.
Thanks, mate.
Well done. Yes, get in. Do I owe you a bucket? Yeah.
It's not a PB, but I'm holding a bucket anyway.
Okay. Just wow, Glynn. Wow.
Go on, pal.
Get in. That is absolutely ridiculous. Well done, Glynn.
Thanks, buddy. Keep doing it about you.
Get in. Crack. I'll wait for him to ring me. I need to charge my phone up. My phone's running out. I'm on 8%. I think I'm up to You in, Glynn? Well, I've literally just used his bait boat. I feel a bit guilty, but I need to try it because if you look at this, literally out 5 minutes, he's away again.
It's coming a lot easier than the last one.
Yeah, but the other one was 23.5 pound, Glynn.
Tiddler this.
Tiddler? And everything's going to look small now compared to that.
It's a good spot I found there. It took me a while to remember where I put him when I was getting all them hits.
Yeah, is that where it is it?
Yeah. It's the spot where I was...
Don't tell anybody because it's a secret spot.
Alright.
Remember on YouTube. Shh, tell me when we're off camera. And then I'll put a rod on it. You had six runs though, didn't you, in one night? Last time you were here, on this spot.
Yeah.
Just weird how last night it just went dead, didn't it? Look at this. Well, when I get older, I want to be like Glynn. Even though I think I'm older than him. It's a nice fish. They are fighting, aren't they? Not that if it's that ghosty, no, it's not common.
Little common.
I wouldn't say it was little. It's extra weight. It's a competition, remember, Glynn. Every pound counts. Where is it?
Yeah. Been a little douchebag.
Get in, Glynn. Well done. That looks tiny compared to your last one. Let's see the size of this.
Can you find it in the net?
It's down there somewhere. Let me just zoom in. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Well done, Glynn. Well, literally 2 minutes later, I've just missed one. Glynn's got another one. We thought it was tiny, but it's actually £9 exactly. So yeah, another fish for Glynn. He's going to get his rod back out, and it's raining. So I'll get a quick picture and put it back. But yeah, well done, Glynn.
Thanks, mate. 9.
Not German. It's the carp.
9.
Well done, Glynn.
Camera, anyway.
Cracking.
9.
Well, would you believe it? You're on hat cam now. He's in again.
Just put it on.
Have you not put your net in?
I'm not in the net. Oh, shit.
I think I've got you with a line, Glynn.
Where's the fish got the other line?
I don't know. On the two.
Oh, look at the state of that.
Oh my word. Oh my word. What is that? What is that, Glynn?
It's the end of the world.
As we know it. What's another fish though? Right, let's get it weighed and sort out the tangle. Well, it's literally 10 to 8. And his rod's gone again. Is that left hand rod again? Left one, yeah.
Left one, yeah.
Left one gone, and it is a lovely common carp. And it's only, I say only because of the 23 pounder. We thought it was tiny, and it's £8.5.
Not bad.
So yeah, another cracking one. I don't know what the total weight is. I'll put it on the screen now. But yeah, absolutely mega.
Cool, mate.
Well done, mate. We'll get a... Bother with the picture or just chuck it back?
We'll just put it back.
Just put it back, but yeah. Cracking, Glynn, well done.
Thanks, mate. Ready to go, that one.
Straight away.
Bye.
Well done, Glynn.
Oh, mate.
Well, I've had the dreaded up and down, up and down. What do you reckon, Glynn? Do you reckon strike into it?
I'll leave it. Once you start seeing your rod dip or twitching.
Bloody bream.
Oh, there's something on it.
Oh.
Yeah, it hit it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hit that. Anything?
If there is, it's a bream. No, it doesn't feel like it.
Can't believe that.
Oh, there is. I think there's something on. It's a freaking bream.
Sounds bleeding. Magic beans.
This is your rod, your one that you put out with your boat.
Is there a magic bean on it? Tench. No.
Oh, for God's sake, Glynn.
Do you want me to unhook it?
Is there anything worse? Is there anything worse in life
No. No, it's not.
than a frickin' bream?
Come here, you snutty get. It's not a good one, though, mate.
No, it's not. It's a bream. Look at the fucking state of that. Look at the state. Oh, it's a decent size, that, isn't it?
Look at the red mark is on
It's like it's a mouth beak off the...
it. Camera.
Reckon you give me another £4 for that?
Yeah, I'd give you £4 for that all day.
I'm not going to weigh it. I'm not even going to get it out of the net.
Are you not? I'm just going to boot it.
What do you reckon? Do you reckon I've got to weigh it? Just to see whether it's a £5-pounder.
I would.
I might as well. Yeah, alright then, I'll do it
What's your
proper.
PB?
Did you just ask what my PB bream is?
Yeah.
I'm not getting bucketed for a bream.
No, you're alright. You don't get that for Pete Bream.
You're getting... Actually, you deserved it, but you need a bucket for your linear.
It's way too cold.
Ah, okay.
And I've got no spare clothes.
Right. I'm not getting bucketed for a bream. Well, it's £5.8 of absolutely minging slime. It's going to go back. Try and get it back out and get a carp. Come on. Disgusting. Well, good morning. Nothing last night. Absolutely nothing. It was dead. I've not heard anything from Glynn either. I've not spoken to Glynn this morning. But yeah, nothing for either of us overnight, unfortunately. Not even a bream. And yeah, it's the last morning. It's now 8 o'clock. I'm going to prac up about lunchtime. And yeah, I'm going to redo my rods. I'm going to put them both back out at 11 wraps on the spot where I first started, and get them both out there. I'm going to use magic beans, my Oath Faithful. I'm going to have a yellow on one, an orange on the other, and then I'm going to have a fruit and nut bag and then a mesh bag, and then I'm just going to chuck probably most of the mix that I've got left. I'll keep a couple of spods left just in case I get a fish and I need to rebait it. I'm just going to chuck about 3 or 4 spods, big spods out there, 11 wraps, and then hopefully I can nick a fish to begin with. It's been really frustrating. Yeah, it's very strange. I used to love this peg, this steps peg, but I've had the last 2 sessions I've done on here, I've not really done that well. I've had a couple of carp on the last one, but I seem to do better on the roadside now. So yeah, I'm going to get my rods out and probably start doing a slow pat down after I've had my breakfast. We'll catch up with Glynn in a bit. Hopefully Glynn's, I don't think he's had any in the night, otherwise he would have woke me up, obviously with there being a competition. And yeah, we'll see how we go today. I mean, I've really enjoyed it still. To see Glynn's carp, that 23.5 pound, was just absolutely stunning. And it's what we come out fishing for, just to see nice big fish. I'm not really bothered who catches it. Obviously I prefer if I caught it, but just seeing Glynn catch it has absolutely made the session. So yeah, normally I'd be downhearted, but I've caught 2 bream. And but I've seen some lovely carp anyway, and we've had a good laugh. So yeah, I'm going to get my rods out, get some breakfast, and hopefully in the last 3 or 4 hours I can nick a carp. And if not, it's just no fishing. The weather has not been too bad. It's been raining off on and off, but overall it's been decent weather. And yeah, you'll either see me with a carp, you'll probably see Glynn with a carp, or you'll see me with an outro or some B-roll of wildlife. I'll see you in a bit. Whether you can see that out there, the flat spot is pluming up. So that's about 20 minutes after I've set my rods out. It's being moved, so there is some sort of action out there. No, my luck, it's probably a bream. Hopefully the carp are coming in. See a little bit there as well. Yeah, there is flat spots showing, so come on, just a last minute carp, just to rescue my session and actually have a carp. So you're away. He's literally switched his rod from being straight out over to the left. Is he gone?
No, just trying to get away from them snags. Come on, Ian, come again.
You've literally put it just over to the left and it's gone straight away, hasn't it? There must be all down there.
I'm waiting for a double run here, you know.
What's a run mean?
When the fish picks up your bait.
No, I wouldn't know. Thanks for that, Glynn.
The thing connected to the end of this rod is a fish.
Is it? I forgot what they look like. A bream, you mean, obviously, don't you?
No, it's not bream.
It's not a bream? Right, okay. That's all I'm used to. There's a big swirl, that. The big boil. You sure it's small?
No. Not seen it again, have we? Normally we've seen them by now, they're small.
Besides that boil that came up, that was like the last one. It's definitely a bream.
Tail was quite big on it when I saw it.
Yeah. It's golden then.
I think there might be a plateau over there, you know.
Oh, what?
Bit of a plateau. That's how they're getting under the back-legged line.
You reckon?
It might be a decent one, this bride.
No? I've got half a freaking thing to aim at here.
Awesome. Cool. Good double.
Nice fish that, Glynn. Well done, mate.
Cheers,
Is that
bud.
what a carp looks like? Yeah.
Yeah. I've had a few this weekend.
Have you?
Yeah. Don't even notice them.
I don't often say this, Glynn, but I hate you. I'm well chuffed. Well done, mate. Right. You in, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, he gave me a chance. He literally cast a rod out straight out overnight and nothing. And he's literally just moved it over to the left. And within 10 minutes...
He's fighting the fish again.
Within 10 minutes, he's caught another fish. It's a lively one, this one, isn't it? It is. Moments away from going back, fella. And I got a common carp. Up a tiny bit more. 13 pounds. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, another fish to add to the collection, Glynn. Well done.
Nice one, mate.
Absolutely smashing it. We'll get a picture and put it back.
Cheers.
Is that what a carp looks like?
Yeah, yeah, you need one of these now.
Right, okay. Got 4 in no time. Knew that was going to go straight off. Cracking, Glynn. Well done, mate.
Get it back.
Yeah, get back out and get another one. I'm just going to film and watch.
Just get you that
Wow. This is the last resort. Glynn's trying to help me catch a carp. So we're going to use my right hand swim because we have 2 pegs. So I'm going to put a rod over there from the other side. He's kindly lending me his bait boat again. That is put a load of boilie and pellet in. And we're going to try and put it down that edge where the tree is in the boat. So I'll film that now. I'm using the usual magic bean with a mesh bag. So yeah, let's get it out. See if it works. Yeah. Take my bail arm off 1 sec. Right. Now Glynn recommends getting it down just off these trees down here, so I don't margin fish, but Glynn does, and he catches. Okay, down that edge.
Don't want to go too close.
No, that'll... be fine there.
Oh, it's not fucking emptying.
Oh no. Do you need to get closer?
No, yeah, 1 sec. No, not empty, I just need to reconnect it.
Ah, right. I don't know what I'd do without Glynn. He's literally doing everything he can to rescue my session. He's taking it out where he is. Thanks, Glynn.
No worries.
Right, let's get this set and hopefully I can catch one. Right, that is now set. Fingers crossed. The margin rod will do its thing. Come on. Well, I don't need to tell you what the next thing is, but he's on again. His literally line was just tightening up twice. Didn't really pull his alarm much. I think it's another decent one.
Leave that or it's a snack.
It's literally just plodding.
I think if it's not a snag, it's a good fish. That's the thing. I've got half a tree stump.
Hmm?
No.
Oh no.
That was a good fish, that bry.
Shit. That was big. One thing I love about being a YouTuber is having the facility to capture a moment. And just like this heron who's watching Carl reeling a fish, I get just as much pleasure watching somebody catch a fish than what I do catching a fish myself. When I think back to when I first started fishing at 13 years old and fly fishing in the river in the northeast, I wish I had the facility of capturing that moment. Now I've got 4 cameras and I'm learning to fly a drone, I could bring you more content than ever before. I absolutely love my YouTube channel and I really do appreciate all your support. I can't believe I've got over 1,000 subscribers and I love all the interaction and all the comments. I'm striving to bring you better content and hopefully you'll keep on following me on my fishing journey. Thank you to Carl for entertaining us with that carp. If you want to follow Carpy Carl on TikTok, I'll leave a link in my description.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing it by myself.
What do you mean?
I'm an idiot. Come on, you do it.
I've not caught any fish. That's it. My rod is out, but I'm not going to get a bite. I've not had a bite since Friday. Yeah, that's it. So the competition is over on the Syndicate Lake and Glynn's the winner.
Get in.
He caught the biggest fish, which was 23.5.
Yep.
And he's caught, we think it's either 5 or 6.
Yeah. Nothing else special though, really.
They weren't bream, were they?
They weren't bream. They were big bream you had, Brian.
Yeah, but they weren't carp. So he's had, I think it was an 8.5, a 9, a 10.5, a 13.5 or
Yep.
13, and a small 23.5 pound. And I've had 2 bream. So yeah, so that's it. So as Glynn would say, thanks for watching. If you want to like and subscribe to see Glynn's fish, really would appreciate it. When's your YouTube channel starting?
I want to get 5 minutes to do it, to be honest, Brian.
Glynn is doing a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link underneath so you can give him a follow. And he's going to create fishing content and I'm going to switch to something that doesn't involve fishing. But yeah, if you made it this far, follow me on all social media and hopefully we'll both see you soon.
See you later.
And follow Glynn.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Nothing to say? No?
No, I'm not saying anything.
Are you buying a new bait boat?
Getting a new bait boat.
What do you get? If anybody can recommend a bait boat for Glynn and me, because I'm going to have to buy one now because now he's smashed it, let us know in the comments. He is going to get a bucket, by the way, anyone who's watched the linear video. We weren't going to do it today because it's a bit cold, but we'll do it on the next session. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Dance, Glynn, dance.
No, I'm going.
Right. Thanks for watching.